All right, this one's wholesome. Let's level up the parents and grandparents iPhone game. Tip 1, make text bigger. Go ahead to the settings, accessibility. So for the most of this video, we're gonna stay on the accessibility. So go ahead to accessibility, and then hit text or display and text size. Hit large text and make sure to extend or minimize or lower the text thickness basically. Tip 2, enable back tap shortcuts. Stay on that accessibility, right? And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna hit touch. Scroll a little bit down, last option, back tap. Hit double tap at the top, and then we're gonna set flashlight or screenshots, to double tap just behind the screen, behind the phone. All right. Tip 3, use magnifier. Stay on the accessibility again, and go ahead to the zoom. Okay, hit zoom right here at the top, or magnifier. Turns the iPhone into digital zoom lens. Okay, so tip 4, bold text. Stay on the accessibility, hit display and text size. Okay, and then what you're gonna do, you can just turn on the bold text. Much easier on the eyes. Tip 5, voice control. Stay on the accessibility, right, and hit voice control or voice over. Yeah, voice control. All right. They can operate the phone hands free by just simply using sound or voice. Okay. Tip number 6, loud ringtone booster. What you're gonna do, we're gonna go back to the main settings, hit sounds and haptics, and hit ringtone. Choose classic, old phone, right? Very, very loud. Okay. Lastly, emergency SOS. Go back to the main settings and just search for emergency SOS. Right? Just press it. And then enable call with hold and release. Okay? Life-saving feature. Literally. So, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And this is the 7 iPhone tips every senior should know.